Convert bytes to int. I'm currently working on an encryption/decryption program and I need to be able to convert bytes to an integer. I know that. Yet I cannot find out how to do the inverse. What am I doing terribly wrong?
Assuming you're on at least 3.2, there's a built-in for this. int.from_bytes, bytes, byte order, asterisk, signed equals false. The argument bytes must either be a bytes-like object or an iterable producing bytes. The byte order argument determines the byte order used to represent the integer. If byte order is big, the most significant byte is at the beginning of the byte array. If byte order is little, the most significant byte is at the end of the byte array. To request the native byte order of the host system, use system.byteorder as the byte order value. The signed argument indicates whether 2's complement is used or present the integer.
Doesn't work with me. I used function from this website, it works well. This URL.
Lists of bytes are subscriptable, at least in Python 3.6. This way you can retrieve the decimal value of each byte individually.
In case of working with buffered data, I found this useful. Assuming that all elements in buffer are 8-bit long.
Forest isn't very exciting.